Hi everyone, now I want to tell you about Dashcoin. The Dashcoin cryptocurrency appeared on January 18 under 2014. The original names Xcoin, X is XSO. Unlike most modern cryptocurrency which go through an ICO stage before being created, the Dash cryptocurrency was created by an independent developers, Evan Duffield, without an initial description of coins. He considered the lack of anonymity of fungibility to be the main disadvantage of Bitcoin. So he proposed to make change to the Bitcoin protocol, which made the cryptocurrency confidential and fungible. However, the community didn't listen to him, and the field had no choice but to create a new cryptocurrency. I discovered Bitcoin in the mid 2010s, and it was being in my mind ever since. A couple of years later, in 2012, I started to really think about how to add anonymity to Bitcoin. I found about 10 ways to do this, but after the release, my code wasn't wanted to be included in Bitcoin. The developers insisted that the underlying protocols remain basically unchanged, and this also applies to everything else that is based on it. This was the birth of the Darkcoin concept, he said. After creating concept, Duffield continued to develop and found an algorithm that became the basic of a new cryptocurrency. I actually built into X11 a similar growth curve where miners have to fight to create even a small advantage for themselves, just like they did in the early day of Bitcoin. I think it's necessary to create a living ecosystem, said the developer. In June 2014, industry news site Crypto Coin News wrote, one of the biggest pitfalls in dark coins journey is the big Instagramming. Instagramming. Instamine are coins that are in block zero in Genesis. The number of coins is set algorithmically. There may be more of them than will be in substituted blocks. Sometimes this concept is used simply for the early mining of the first blocks. Such a large inst mine turned out to be the reason for criticism of developers from the professional community. According to Duffield, the reason for this was a critical error in the code, and the creators even suggested rolling back the networks, but the community rejected this idea. As a result, a huge number of coins were sold on exchanges at low prices, and the situation stabilized. The official name was changed from Darkcoin to Dash on March 25, 2015. Uh, interestingly, when uh, coming up with the name of the new coin, Duffield showed himself to be an excellent market to being with rebuild itself from the negative image in the previously named in the crypto community. The word dark is associated in the crypto community. The word dark is associated with the criminal segment of the darknet internet network. Then he deprived the new coin of the coin. Uh, Prefix leaving a short and sonorous dash, which means jerk. The core team dash consists of 50 specialists who work in improve protocols and ensure the stable operation of the cryptocurrency. Some of the team members are located in Phoenix, Arizona, while the majority work from different parts of the world. The creators of the coin, um, Ewan Duffield, is still involved in the life of the project. Ryan Ryler is responsible for the development of the Dash community. Current CEO of Dash Core Group. Dash Core Group is an organization that supports the network through various initiatives at the beginning of his career at Dash in 2016. Ryan served as the chief financial officer. His main specialization was the payment industry and investment. This not least allowed Dash to become the leaderboard of electronic currencies. The Dash team is one of the largest in the crypto world, and it continued to grow. The DSH cryptocurrency has centered in several countries, each of which has its own local team. The first difference between Dash and the king of the cryptocurrencies market is the complete anonymity of all transactions with this currency. The level of confidently can be safely compared with cash payment. The highest level of privacy is provided by a combinatorial combination of several cryptographic algorithms at once. The two-tier architecture of the current makes it easy and quick to implement all the updates of the improvement from developers. This also determinate the price of Dash. That decentralized masternode network is responsible for the system's resistance to hacking and security. Transactions on the Dash network are subject to minimal fees, and sometimes they are completely free. The Dash cryptocurrency is characterized by good energy efficiency, allowing you to save energy when mining. Also, the instant transaction service is implemented in the currency blockchain through a decentralization government mechanism based on the blockchain DGBB, which allows all members of the local crypto community to develop and improve the system by submitting their project to a universal vote. An illustrative case of using Dash as a means of payment is the distribution of a crypto assets on Venezuela. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.